welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know my face isn't looking that excited as my voice, but trust me, I am so excited to make this vlog. It's 10 in the morning, so first let's get freshened up. Here, I was just trying to show you guys that's how loose fitted clothes I wear. I am not that fat, but yeah. This is my basic morning routine. I wake up, set my bed, drink some water, immediately freshen up, and have some coffee. Usually, I do take my showers a little late, but today I took early because I have to leave for a brunch. So, I did my skincare with the toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen, not so much. And for makeup, I initially thought just to apply tinted moisturizer, blush, lipstick, and the basic stuff, but I ended up putting all the makeup stuff I had on my face because they were just right in front of me and I just couldn't avoid. But anyway, this is my fit and these are my Onitsukas. Since the moment I bought them, these have become my entire personality because I just couldn't stop wearing them. Anyway, so let's just go. So today's plan is basically to go for a brunch and then go for an arcade and then watch Durandar 2. I already had the tickets booked, so I just have to pick up my friends and then just leave. For me, the first sip of coffee and Coke just hits the same. It just slaps. Not that I'm encouraging Coke or caffeine, but I love them both. Anyway, we just had a good conversation and went inside. We had to actually sit outside because there was no table available on that day, so we had to sit outside for a while. And then we came back, ordered food, and IPL was going on. So we watched IPL for some time while eating, and we ordered paneer and fried rice. I was not in a mood to eat non-veg, and the friend I came with, he also is a vegetarian, so he doesn't eat non-veg. So I thought paneer was the best option. The food was just mid, like I'd give a 2.5, 3 out of 5 for it. So after eating and enjoying IPL for a while, we left around 4:30 to play arcade and then watch a movie. ఇంత డార్క్లో కూడా షేడ్స్ పెట్టుకుని తిరుగుతుంది అని చెప్పి నేను నవ్వుకున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఏంటి అఖిలే నంబర్ వన్ అనా వన్ అని వేసుకున్నావు.
So first things first, shopping. So as soon as I entered the mall, I saw Aptronics and I had to get in there because I have to buy my earphones. I've been wanting to buy them for a very long time and I didn't get the time to buy. So after that, I saw this pink new MacBook and I really love it. So I'm manifesting it to buy it soon. As soon as I left from there, I saw Mini. So I really wanted to directly go to arcade, but I had to stop there because they always have such cute stuff. I had to buy my cotton pads, tissues, and some organizers because they all have it in very pastel colors, and also they have such cute soft toy collection. I always wanted to buy one soft toy as well, but I really want it as a gift, so I didn't buy myself. And I honestly didn't buy anything because it was too much crowded at the billing counter as well. So I didn't buy anything there and I came directly to this game Palacio. So basically, this has dining, bowling, and arcade. I honestly came for bowling, but then they said it has 1.5 hour of waiting and we do not have such time because we have the movies for 6:30. I honestly wasn't expecting this kind of crowd here. I really thought there'd be like half hour of waiting, but I wasn't expecting that anyway. Even though the arcade has such cool games there, I had to leave because there's also bowling in Smash. So I thought of checking it out. I came almost 5 to 6 years ago here, so I thought maybe it'll be available at least. But even they said they have 2.5 hours of waiting. I was so disappointed. So I came to H&M for some shopping because shopping always makes me happy and way more less disappointed. So I shopped so much that I think I almost got an entire store with me because I was that disappointed because my heart was set on arcade. But also H&M has this so many trendy pieces. I think you guys really have to check it out because there are so many trendy pieces, so many summer colors, and obviously there's going to be a haul anyway. even after shopping that much, I still found few other pieces that I haven't picked up. Anyway, we left from there and came to this PVR because our movie starts in like another 5 to 10 minutes. So we booked in PVR Lux for the first time. So basically, if you book your tickets from PVR Lux Theatre, so you have this separate lounge area to wait, and you don't even have to wait in long lines for your popcorn, coke, or whatever you want to order. So the entire theater has only and only recliner seats and a very huge screen. You also have these buttons wherein you can just press a button so that a PVS staff will come and with a proper legit menu and take your order and then just deliver it instead of waiting in a long line. I guess there's this thing in normal theater as well, not only Lux. I'm not really sure because it's been so long I went to a movie, but anyway, this is like a private home theater. This is the washroom, and they have this big mirror, and it's very clean. And the movie is so amazing that I really wanted to watch for the second time as well. I mean, there's so much of violence, but then still, I really loved it. From there, we left and then we went to Theory to have some coffee. But unfortunately, by the time we went there, Theory was closed. So I just took the sourdough bread and water bottle and immediately left from there and went to One Drive-In to have some dinner. But I don't know. I just didn't feel like having dinner. So my friend had some parathas and then I came straight home. But it was little late by the time I came home. But this is the end of the vlog. So I hope you guys like it. If you do like it, so please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.